we will continue with our program, adding the while loop inside. We will ask the user to enter an age and repeat this until he enters a valid age. To be able to continue executing the code, for this we need to start by commenting all the code. Here we need to know that there are several types of loops. We have the while loop and the for loop. And here we will learn the while loop. The while loop in French means as long as. As we saw above, when declaring the variable, we initialize it directly. So if I make an a equal to 0, I create a variable of type int, which is initialized to 0. And if I make now an a equal to 1, I reassign a new value to a. In the same way, if I make an a equal to plus 1, well, I'm going to make the print each time and you'll see the difference. So print a, I do that here as well. I run my code. You see here a equal 1, after a equal 2, after a equal 3. So that's how it works. We do the reassignments of values after the declaration. I will comment this code and let rather the first a equals 0, and we will continue our code. If I make a while loop, I make while lower than 10. This condition will be always true. It will be always lower than 10. Here at the bottom we write print value of a colon. I'll do str to convert to a string, and if I put an a, if I leave it like that, it will be a loop repeated, an infinite loop that will stop when I click stop. So I'm going to run it so that you can see that it continues to run until I press stop here and the program stops. So to compensate for this, we're going to add this at this level, and here I'm saying that a after I've printed the new value of a will reassign a new value to a, and so on. I'm running my code, and you'll see that at this table we've got a0, a1, a2, a3 up to 9, because we've said that a must be lower than 10. So I'm going to write at this level here, I'm going to do a print start of the loop, and I'm going to put the end at the bottom. I restart my code. We have the beginning of the loop and we have the end, and so on the loop starts to run, beginning of the loop, we have the value, and then we have the end of the loop. That's how it works. So I'm going to delete or comment this, and we're going to make a new program. We're going to ask the user for the passwords. To do this, I'm going to declare a value password. In short, is equal to a string, and here I'm going to put password equal, so I initialize it to Mimi in uppercase, and I'm going to do before a while, so as long as the password is not equal. To do this, I'm going to put here not, it's not equal to Mimi, print, what is your password? Question mark. So as long as it's not equal, it's going to be repeat several times. And when we have a good password, while get out of the loop is displayed instead a print, correct password, you have access to your account. I'll run this. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. I'm going to put in password equals input to ask for the value. I'll restart my code and everything will work normally. You see, it works normally. If I enter Tutu, it will ask me every time. And if I enter anything, it will ask me every time until I enter Mimi. And I type it, says correct password, you have access to your account. As we haven't put any code behind it, it just shows up like that. Nothing runs. See you soon for the improvement of our code by introducing the while loop.